Today I found myself in Target in the athletic section and I noticed some Blogilates products, and I have not seen these in real life before. The spaceship one is not part of it. And I just wanted to check them out. So first up, we have this workout bag. It kind of reminds me of like the Tumi Weekender. Check out that unboxing if you haven't seen it. I swear by the Tumi, I can't buy anything that's not it. They also had some hats, which had some cool like lace detailing on the back. They had this water bottle holder, which I had seen online and I was so intrigued to see in person. This fits a Stanley 40 ounce. It is insulated inside. It has cute little pockets with little clips and then some other pockets without clips, and it's just really cute. We also had some workout sets that come with resistance bands and other, like, these are called booty bands. We also had a very thin jump rope, which I thought looked nice to use. They're all beautiful fall colors. This one is a fit journal. The journal was actually missing out of one of them. I don't know if it's because of the packaging, because the packaging is like open so you can see the first few pages of the book. Here is just a preview of the fit journal itself. I used to use these about 10 years ago, and I have not used them since. So I don't know who's using them still. Let me know in the comments below. And then we have a like deluxe starter pack. We also have a tone and sculpt kit. This one looks more like a Pilates focused kit, which is, you know, how Cassie got her start with Blogilates. And then we have a bigger resistance pack. She also has these jelly free weights. They were a little bit more marked up than the typical free weights at Target. And of course, they're cheaper at on Amazon or online. She had a ton of water bottles, a lot of which had like encouraging notes on them and whatnot. And overall, it was really cool to see these in person. Let me know what you think in the comments below.